Hello everyone, I hope you are having a good time wherever you are. In this video, I am going to be showing you an AI tool that many content creators are using to generate realistic voiceovers. This tool is known as Murf AI. So, make sure you watch this video to the end in order to get all the tips I'll be giving out about this tool. Welcome to Ray Content Lab, your go-to source for tips, reviews and insights on the best online and AI tools to help you grow and streamline your online business. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content that will elevate your workflow and success. Let's get started. Now, for those people who might be wondering, what is Murf AI? Murf AI is an advanced text-to-speech platform that uses artificial intelligence to generate human-like voiceovers. It offers over 120 AI voices across 20+ languages and accents, allowing users to create professional quality audio content for a wide range of applications including e-learning, podcasts, videos, advertisements, audiobooks, and more. The amazing thing to note is that Murf AI is designed for creators of all skill levels, from beginners to professionals. Murf AI leverages AI technology to simplify complex editing tasks and streamline the workflow for podcasts, videos, and other multimedia content. Let's look at the key features of Murf AI. Some of the key features of Murf AI include the following. Diverse AI voice library. You have access to 120+ ultra-realistic AI voices across 20+ languages and multiple accents. Voice customization. You can adjust pitch, speed, emphasis, pronunciation, and add pauses to fine-tune voiceovers. Multimedia integration. Seamlessly combine AI-generated voiceovers with videos, images, and background. Voice cloning. Create custom AI voice clones that can replicate emotions and speaking styles. AI translation and dubbing. Translate and dub content into multiple languages while preserving original tone and context. At this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Also, leave your comment below. Now, let's see what people are using Murf AI to generate. People use Murf AI for 1. E-learning and explainer videos. 2. Advertising and marketing. 3. Audiobooks and podcasts. 4. Corporate training. 5. IVR and customer service. 6. YouTube videos, video games, animation character voices, documentaries, presentations, and many more. Next, we will quickly look at the pros and cons of Murf AI. First of all, let's look at the pros. It is a cost-effective alternative to hiring voice actors. There is a quick turnaround time for voiceover production. With Murf AI, you also have flexibility in voice customization and language options. Using Murf AI allows for seamless integration with various multimedia formats. Now, let's see what the cons are. Murf AI may lack the nuanced emotional depth of human voice actors. Secondly, there are limitations and restrictions on the usage of the features on the free plan. The next thing we are going to look at is how to use Murf AI. First, enter or copy and paste your text into Murf's text editor to get started. Alternatively, you can also import a text file into Murf VoiceOver Generator. Next, select an AI voice of your choice from Murf's extensive library of 120+ ultra-realistic AI voices across different languages, accents, and tonalities. Then, customize settings like pitch, speed, pause, emphasis, and pronunciation to fine-tune and enhance the naturalness of the audio. After that, click on Preview to render and listen to the AI-generated speech. Make adjustments as necessary to perfect the output. Finally, click Export and choose the file format to download the final voiceover. Before we look at the plans in Murf AI, you should know that Murf AI fits into the tools you use every day. The last thing we want to look into before we go is Murf AI plans and pricing. Murf AI offers a free plan, but aside that, there is the Creator plan, which costs $19 per month. The Business plan is $66 per month. These are the prices as at the time of making this video. Now, we've come to the end of this tutorial about Murf AI. To sign up with Murf AI, follow the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like and share this video and turn on the notification for more valuable content.